Hi everybody, Amy Thompson here with the Luchek Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice, bringing you a new home listing. This adorable bungalow style property nestled in Pueblo's Eastside has been fully renovated. It's fitted with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1,600 square feet. I bring you 928 East 13th Street. The property sits on a partially fenced lot with a xeriscaped front yard, providing low-maintenance outdoor space and enhanced curb appeal. Enjoy a cup of coffee or relax on the covered front patio while taking in the home's outdoor offerings. Step inside to find a bright and welcoming interior featuring new LVP flooring, fresh interior paint, and new light fixtures throughout. The main level boasts an inviting living room with large windows that allow natural light to pour in, a generous dining room perfect for family meals, and a spacious kitchen that's been fully updated with new appliances, laminate countertops, and a pantry for added storage. The laundry room, conveniently located off the kitchen, is accessed through a stylish barn door. The main level also includes a comfortable bedroom that attaches to the updated bathroom, which features new tile shower surround and a modern vanity. High ceilings throughout the home provide an open, airy feel, and the home is fitted with energy-efficient vinyl windows to keep things bright and comfortable. Upstairs, you'll find a large bedroom with abundant closet space and plenty of natural light, an ideal retreat for relaxation. The lower level offers flexible space, perfect for a non-conforming 3rd bedroom, recreational room, or home office, making this home adaptable to a variety of needs. With its blend of modern updates, spacious layout, and prime Eastside location, this home is perfect for anyone looking for a move-in ready property with room to grow. Don't miss your chance to see it. Thank you so much for coming on this beautiful home tour with me. For more information about this property, you can reach me at 719-744-4955 or visit us on the web at makespringshome.com. We are offering a 2.5 compensation, so brokers, bring your buyers. Thanks again for watching.